Good morning, y'all. I saw this recipe the other day for a super easy breakfast. So I want to try it. It's little sausage rolls with gravy on top. Let's give it a try. First thing she did was just cook some sausage. So let's just brown this sausage up. Regular Jimmy Dean sausage. If you like the maple kind or whatever kind you like, just get whatever you like. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. This looks like it's done, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it out. I'm gonna leave my grease in the pan as much as I can. I'm taking this into my crew this morning, so I'm just gonna take it in a to-go pan. So whatever pan you use, just take it and spray some cooking spray on it. Some crescent dough sheets. If you don't have the sheets, then just use the crescent, regular crescent, just mash it together. Let me find the beginning here. And roll it out. I'm actually doing 2 sheets. This one's not as nice as the other one. And I got some holes in it, so we're just gonna patch those up. The recipe that I saw did not call for cheese, but I'm gonna put some cheese on it. I also think it will be good with some scrambled eggs in there, but I'm not doing that this time. I'm just gonna do the cheese. Sausage on. I'm trying not to get any of that oil. I'm gonna put it back in my pan. Spread this out. And now we're just gonna start rolling it. Just a little bit at a time. Just like you're typing on a typewriter. Back and forth. Aha! All right, now we're gonna slice them. Of course, I'm gonna slice the end of that off. And we'll just do them probably about that thick. And then we're just gonna place them right down in here in our pan. Just like that. There we go. Now, these are gonna go into a 375 degree oven for about 15 minutes, 12 to 15 minutes. I would check them after 12. Been down that road. While our sausage rolls are baking, we're gonna make some gravy to put on top. So we have a little bit of oil left over from our sausage cooking, but I'm just gonna add a little butter there. About a tablespoon. Add a tablespoon flour. And get this mixed in. Some black pepper, teaspoon and a half of salt. I like my gravy salty. So you want to cook your flour for a little bit, probably about a minute or 2 to get that flour good and cooked. Now we're going to slowly pour in our milk. And you're going to keep whisking as you're pouring. Just keep going. 1 more cup. Cook it until it's as thick as you would like it. If it gets too thick, just add a little bit of milk. If you like yours thicker, you cook yours a little longer, okay? I checked them at 12 minutes, but I thought they needed a little more time. So I'm thinking that 15 minutes is just right. Look how good those look. Oh my goodness. Here's a little baby one, so we'll try it. Little gravy on top. Doesn't? Oh yeah, so good, so easy. What a great, easy breakfast idea for a crowd. You guys remember to expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today and have a fantastic day. We'll see ya. Shout out to Tay Bryce. I love following her and she made this the other day. So love it. So good.